When you will be doing business in Poland, you will have to pay some taxes. First of all, you will have to pay a VAT tax. This is obligatory for all companies that turnover exceeds 200,000 zlotys, which means the majority of companies will pay it. It is basically 23% for all goods and services. Majority of them have this rate. Some of them have 8, 5 or 0%, depending on the industry and depending if the good is delivered inside the country or outside. The same applies to services, but basically what you should remember is 23% of VAT. Another tax is CIT, which means corporate income tax. In this case, most of the time you will have a flat rate, which is 19%. When you start a business, you have something which is called a discount for start. And in this case, the tax rate would be 9%. Pretty nice. This tax rate can be applied for the enterprises which have an income lower than 1.2 million euros gross per year. There are some exceptions from this rule, and actually there's a whole list of exceptions. I would just like to tell you that there is a window that you may be the lucky one who will pay 9%. The third type of tax is your personal income tax. When you get some income from your company, in terms of sole proprietorship, you will either pay your corporate income tax or you will have your personal income tax. And in this case, it is divided into 3 thresholds. First one is 18% for, let's say, approximately 85.5k Polish zlotys. You will pay 18% of tax for this amount, up to this amount. And then the second threshold is between 85.5 up to 1 million. You will have to pay 32% from this amount. And then the third threshold is additional 4%. So to summarize, you have 85.5 and you have 1 million. Here is 18%, here is 32% and here is 36%. But what is worth remembering, you have to consider that when you have the company, you first earn your income, then you deduct your costs and you pay the tax from what is left. And that is the big advantage of having business in general.